The BAYSQUIRREL 22-inch smart ceiling fan offers an innovative blend of technology with its ability to be controlled through voice commands, a mobile app, and a remote, making it incredibly user-friendly. Equipped with a built-in Bluetooth speaker and RGB lights, this ceiling fan allows you to set the mood with music and colorful lighting, enhancing any room's ambiance. With 6 adjustable wind speeds and 3 dimmable LED light color options, you can customize the fan's performance and lighting to suit your personal preferences. The enclosed bladeless design of the fan makes it a safe choice for homes with low ceilings and ensures that children are protected from potential harm. Installation is straightforward. Most parts are pre-assembled, requiring only a simple wiring connection to set it up, which is a great convenience for users. BAYSQUIRREL provides excellent customer service with a 30-day return policy and responsive support, ensuring a satisfactory experience for buyers.